Dear kids, today we will learn basic English verb words that can help you in daily speaking of English. Our first word is go. G plus O is equals to go. G O go. Go means jana. Go means jana. Eat. E plus A plus T. E plus A sounds E and T sounds T. Eat. Eat. Eat means khana. Sleep. S plus L plus E plus E plus P. Sleep. 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 Sleep means sona. Wake. W plus A plus K plus E. Wake. W wa a K ka E silent. Wake. Wake. Wake means uthna. Wake means uthna. Right. W plus R plus I plus T plus E. Right. W sounds V, R sounds R, I sounds I, T sounds T, and E is silent. Right. Right. Dear kids, there are two types of right. One is the left and right, and one is the right. When we write something like this. And there is one more right that is also known as correct. Right. Right means likhna. Right means likhna. So the next word is give. G plus I plus V plus E. There is the same thing. E is silent in this word also. G sounds G, I sounds E, and V sounds V. E is silent also in the verse. G, E, V. G, E, V. Give. Give means dena. Give means dena. The next word is come. C plus O plus M plus E. Come. Come means ana. Come means ana. So the next word is dance. D plus A plus N plus C plus E. Dance. D sounds D, A sounds E, N sounds N, C sounds S, E is silent. D plus A is equal to D, N, Dan, plus C, dance. Dance. Dance means nachna. Dance means nachna. Speak. S plus P plus E plus A plus K. Speak. S sounds S, P sounds P, E plus A sounds E, and K sounds K. S plus P, Sp, E plus A, E, Sp, and at the end there is K, so after this all it will sound speak. S-P-E-A-K, speak. Speak means बोलना. अच्छा. Speak means बोलना. So dear kids, that's all for today. Please revise these words at your home. Bye bye.